Sure. So COVID-19 has had an impact everywhere. That's obvious. And I think the probably the most notable development in the law with respect to COVID and with respect to financing, commercial lending law in particular, is the PPP program, the Paycheck Protection Program. We've helped, and I've personally helped numerous clients, both lenders who are community banks in our region, as well as small businesses who are borrowers who really needed and still continue to need government loan funds to sustain their businesses. And so I think that is the primary program that has really been the biggest focus for commercial lending lawyers and lenders and borrowers in the COVID era, since basically since the CARES Act was passed, which was in March of 2020, right after kind of COVID-19 hit. And it's been, it's been an important program. It's been a highly popular program. And it's, in many ways, it's a complex program. And there are a lot of rules and regulations that both the borrowers and the lenders need to follow to make sure that, they get the money that they need, and that they not just get the loan, but then that they get the loan forgiven. That's probably the most important part, right? And it's not just automatic that a borrower that gets a PPP loan is going to have it forgiven. They have to spend a certain amount on payroll. They have to spend the money only for rent and utilities and other limited purposes. And so navigating those issues for clients is something that I've done and we've done. There's a lot of calculations that go into getting a PPP loan. And, we've certainly been in numerous situations where we've sat down with clients, or virtually sat down with clients in the COVID era, and, walked through their payroll costs, their financials. And sometimes we get involved with their accountants and work with them, and really try to put together the best application that we can for the borrower to allow them to maximize the amount of relief that they're able to get, that they need to keep their business going. And, at the same time, counsel them and advise them to do the right things and take the right steps to ensure that those funds that they get at the beginning of the program are actually going to get forgiven at the back end of the program.